enthusiastic answers.
Well, hey, I'm over here at Ski Roundtop today, Christmas Eve, and I've just ran into these three guys. Who's having the best time today, guys?
All of us.
Both of you. Well, wait a minute. I heard there's more than just the three of you here. Is that right?
Two up there, they're coming down.
Okay. Are they your brothers or sisters or?
Our mom and
Oh, wow.
Full family Christmas Eve.
There you go.
Not bad, huh, Joe?
No, not bad at all. Who's the best skier out of all you guys?
Right here. My wife is.
All right. How you doing?
Hi.
I'm Joe.
Back from ACL surgery. Just
Oh,
got
wow.
cleared.
So how do you guys like the snow today? I thought it was really good. I was on it this morning.
Yeah, we're digging it.
You're digging it.
This is man-made snow, so we're taking full advantage of it.
Well, you know, it was really icy this morning, but I thought it was going to bomb out, but it's actually getting better.
It is fantastic. Softening up. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Here's our youngest skier right here.
How'd you like the snow today? You must be really good. You're the only one without poles. Right? I think he's the best.
He's definitely our enthusiastic one.
Yeah, he's got a backpack too. The rest of you guys aren't even prepared.
He's got snacks. Got all kinds of good things in there.
Oh, it's
I've got
not.
a
It looks
backpack.
like a real one to me. Oh, all right. All right, looks like you guys are having a great Christmas Eve holiday here.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
All right, Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye for now.
Bye.
Wow, that was another great day at Ski Roundtop here on Christmas Eve 2025. You know, the snow conditions were beyond my expectations today. We came in today, this morning it was about low 40s, got up to the mid 40s, you know, maybe right up against 50 degrees today Fahrenheit. And this snow is holding up so good. It must be really, really cold underneath because it's actually improving as the day goes on. There goes Chuck. So, you know, I just got off, and Chuck's going to go ahead and do a couple more runs because the snow is so good. But, you know, I've been at it for just over about three and a half hours, and that's enough for me. But, hey, I want to say thanks to everybody. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.